Hey everyone, how's it going? Happy Wednesday. We're gonna be upgrading the work that we did yesterday. There's a look at the screen. There's a bunch of to-do lists. Let me add this real quick. To-do for mobile support. We needed to add prevent default. This is something we forgot yesterday. Hey Torva, how's it going? Welcome on in. Good to see you. Remember when you were saying that we should open up the Chrome emulator for mobile? Well, you know what? We had it right here. It was on the screen. We forgot this one line right here, event.prevent default. If we had done that, it would have worked on mobile. We were one line away from it working. So we should add we should add refactor as well in this. Let's add prevent default and then also to do refactor so we can reuse. We want to be able to reuse the code, because right now we duplicated code for the events, like mouse up, touch start, down. This all stuff is like duplicated. It's double, so we want to fix that. So let's see how far we can get to this. Let's see. I think we can get pretty far. I'm excited about this. All right. So this is gonna be the obvious one. I feel like we need to redeem ourselves to get that one good to go. If we don't get that one good to go, then I will be, I'll be surprised. I'll be very surprised. I think we can do it. This one's gonna be easy. And then we should refactor. Hey YouTuber, how's it going? Hi, welcome on in, happy Wednesday. That drawing app that we did yesterday, right here, we're going to improve it. That's the plan for today. Also, I think I remember this. All right, so this right here, this click, so that does green. However, I do believe if you click right here, it won't pick the red. Yeah, so I was thinking about this, like, why wasn't it turning red? See, I'm clearly clicking it. Why isn't it working? I know why. Fix the color picker. All right. To do fix color picker. Okay, perfect. That's what the plan. Hey, Savon, good to see you. Where are we with the distributed canvas? Oh, good news. It works. We distributed it. It's distributed. Here, so here's the shared canvas on either side, and then we can draw. And it works pretty well. All right, looks pretty good. And so I know that'll work if I do that. That'll be red, and then this will guaranteed be blue. However, there's a problem. If I want it to be pink, nope, that's not going to work. It's going to still be blue. What about the chartreuse? Nope. What about yellow? I want yellow. Nope, not going to work. But what about red again? No, that's not going to work either. Why? Because it's not clicking on the actual element that has been shrunk. That's what we got to do. We got to fix that. You added auto detect draw shape like rough circles. It auto creates complete or repair circle. That's an interesting idea. Auto detect. We might not do that. I might take one. That's a pretty neat feature though, to do auto detect shape and draw perfect circle / box or whatever, like a square. Yep, we could do that. Your comebacks are priceless, Steven. Savon. We'll make it. Don't worry. We'll make it. It's gonna work. Did we fix the multiplayer issue? Hooding the same pin. Oh, that's the plan. That's part of the plan. So right here, this is the to-do right here. We have to use multiple contexts per user. So we'll be able to do it. Happy to help you. Thank you, YouTuber. Feel free. So the code is open source. It's right there. If you want to commit some code, I'd be happy to check it out. All right. Let's get into it. So this is the one I want to fix first. I want to fix mobile because we messed that up yesterday. We're like, it should work on mobile now. It didn't. And this is it. This is the only thing that we needed to add. Welcome, you guys. Joined a bit late this time. No, you actually joined perfectly fine. You're early now. You're early. All right. So let's see if I want to make sure that mobile's going to work. Touch all the touch events. So we have to put this here. Prevent default. That's it for all of them. For everything that's a touch event. There we go. Touch. Where's the other touches? Around here? It's around here somewhere. Touch. Where is he? Touch. There we go. Perfect. That's the one I was looking for. Now it'll work on mobile. I'm pretty sure that was the only thing we needed to do. Although I want to make sure that we, make this cleaner, because this right here is duplicate code. I don't like duplicate code when we don't have to keep things clean and short and simple. Internet and open source is best gift for programmers, right, bro? It sure is. Hey, Kyle, good to see you. You just skipped over my message. Wow, did I? Whoops. I did. Wait, oh wait, no. It's not showing up. I don't see it. Here, check this out. I don't see it. Yeah, so it says you skipped over my message. Where were you at right here? Where'd you go, Kyle? And that's it. You don't show up anywhere else. You're not on here. It doesn't work. You got moderated. You got self-moderated somehow. I don't know what the deal was. YouTube was like, nope, not today, Kyle, not today. I did. Yeah, you're good. You're good. I was the notif while I was in RC. You made it on time. How's it going there? Lork Mix. Hey, my dad's name is Steven. Oh, really? We share the same name. Funny. Lork Mix is here, you guys. Oh, yeah, it's a glitch. It's on your screen. It must be a glitch. Missed the message. Just added Files API. Support to take pics and support at symptom reporting using PubNub. Oh, Savon, that's great. Telemedicine. Hey, Brandon, how's it going? Steven back, I'm Brandon. I remembered. Although you told me your name is Brandon right now this very moment, so you don't know if I'm telling you the truth or not. Hey, Code Length times Entropy. Hello. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Good to see you. What are you coding? So we're building a shared canvas app right here. So wait, let me see. Do we see on both sides? Yeah. So you can see that both screens are you can see shared canvas, and it's live right now. You could even yes, telemedicine, exactly. So we've got some bugs to fix and things like that to make it better. That's what we're gonna do, make it better. Although I do want to double check that the mobile is gonna work here. Let's make sure the mobile works. So let's do a quick little test. All right. Let's add mobile mode. Perfect. All right. Is it? No. Oh, no. Oh, it's not working. All right. So we need to figure out why it's not working. Is it really not working? It seems like it's not working. I'm clicking on it. Obviously I can draw over here. However, it's not letting me. All right. No. All right. We'll figure it out. Does the selector showing the current color work? It does. Oh, actually, that's a good idea. Yeah, it does. Yeah. So you can see it's working. It's working pretty well. Look at that. I think we need to add a few more mobile header things, how to make it mobile friendly. We might need to add some meta tags. It's been a while since I've done this. Been a little bit while. Files API works the same latency with the generous 10 megabyte limit. Pretty rad. Yeah, it's pretty good. Did we fix the all channel controls the same pin? Well, that is a to-do list item. I know how to fix that. That one's easy. Sir, we need a matrix chat bridge to Discord. Ooh. A direct multi-interactive matrix chat. Want to know what the plasma... I knew you were going to say... I knew, Brandon. I was waiting for it, Brandon. What plasma TV you don't like? Well, it's the Panasonic Neo TP TV. It's not good. Is this a game or a utility? It's a precursor to an experience. It's not really a game. I can't really call it a game. Are you on Ozempic? Hey, boss, good to see you, Despero. No, Ozempic is not something you... I'm trying to gain weight. You don't want to be on Ozempic if you're trying to gain weight. I am trying to gain weight, you guys. So it's kind of the opposite. All right, so I want to... So let's fix that really quick. Let's fix that color thing. Let's do some cleanup here. AI? Are we doing some AI? How's it going there, Farhana? Farhana Freedy, good to see ya. I'm actually kind of curious. Multiplayer experience using PubNub? Yep, you got it, Kyle. Exactly. So you've got two screens here. You can see we've got some sharing on the canvas, and it should work on mobile, although I see a problem. It's not working. There's a few things I'm missing. And I'm not exactly sure what it is. What is it that I'm missing? Event type, touch start. Okay. Oh, interesting. On touch, mouse events. What's going on with this? I want to do it the way that I'm used to it. I want to try it the specific way. Screen XY, client XY. Meta button, redraw, mouse event, new mouse event. Oh, we don't need to deal with that. Hey, Toasting VR, good to see you. Welcome on in. This is awesome. I'm excited about it. I think this is really great. I want to get the mobile working. Let's see if we can get mobile working. Hey, Voss Despero, thank you for subscribing. Appreciate it. We're we're not using any AI. We're not using any AI. We're doing this the old original way. The original way. What's this play button do? What does that do? I don't know what this does. Run. Okay, how about now? I don't know. All right, so handler, prevent default, start, handler start. See, this is what I need to do. Ongoing touches. Interesting. Touch change. Okay, touch. Oh, I need to get the touch coordinates. That's what I need to do. Okay. There's some extra stuff we got to do here. We need extra stuff. Brandon, you got a fish aquarium? You do? You've got one? I definitely don't. I don't have one. Rust game engine, rather. Oh, right. You could literally replace roadblocks. We want Steven to design multiple experiences in Rust. That is a thing you could do. It's possible. We just need to get a game engine up and running, and then you just start building it. You can start building it. You meant the script you submitted showing which color is currently selected. Oh, got it. Okay. Did you do a pull request? Did you do a pull request? Let me see here. Not that one. Not that one. Not that one. Let me see here 1 second. Let me pull this out. Did we have, is it this one? Bitmap multi-user canvas. Okay, code. Did you put a pull request in here? Or you just, oh, you did. Oh, you put it. Add current color marker. Oh, Torva, I didn't notice it. When did you do this? Did you do this like yesterday? It says yesterday. All right, let's read your code real quick. All right. Whoa. What'd you do here? There's a lot of deletes. What's going on? We need that. What is this here? Remote context. You deleted. What'd you delete all this stuff for? I can't merge this. This is a problem. This will be problematic. Hold on a second. Is there a thing that says, okay, resolve the conflicts? Oh, whoa. Okay, one second. Okay. So we're going to have to figure this out. No worries, you guys. Good to have you in. Welcome on in. Let's see here. Sorry, I'm trying to catch up on some of the chats, you guys. Can you search up my weirdest remote? It's a Sony RM8600. So you said a Sony RM-8600. That is a very strange remote. I've never seen one like this before. What are you doing over there? He's using subtractive engineering. It turns out, yeah, exactly. Torva, what'd you do? Oh, because it was based on the old version. Yes. So I think if we do the merge conflict, it might fix it up. I'll work it over. All right, no worries. I'll see if I can. I'll clean it up real quick. If I can't, if it doesn't work, then we'll have to start over. He's making your code clean. Yeah, that's what we're gonna try to. We're gonna try to do it. We're gonna try to make that. All right, let's see here. Where was that at? We don't need that anymore because we already know. We figured that out. Here, okay, let's fix this. Let's fix this, you guys. All right, let's see if we can do that. Okay. Less code, less technical debt, right? Exactly. All right, so, we need to keep all the to-dos. So let's keep every to-do because obviously we don't want to deal. So that one's gone. All right, easy. And then we need, what is this? Remote contact. It's just like you deleted everything. What is going on? Oh, contacts too. Okay, so we don't need this. We don't need that anymore. So we can get rid of this. Okay. All right. And then was there any others? Was that it? Okay, let's see if we can merge that. Mark is resolved. Let's try it. Commit merge. I don't know if you know what? Okay, let's see if this works. Let's find out. We'll find out, you guys. He's probably, on his own advice, turn against him. Is it? You are Team LG. Yep, Team LG. Yep, you got it. Team LG. Exactly. So here we go. Let's see if it worked. No, it deleted too much. We'll have to start over. Let's start over on this. I'm reading through it. Yeah, you got to start over. Active, class active. So I see what you did here is you got a class active, and then you added some active here, and you do some active. Okay, so that's what we'll do. Query selector all colors for each, and then you remove all, right? So you're selecting all, and then you just add the target. You add active to the target. Okay, we can do that. We can merge that in. So what I can do is, so Torva, it's up to you. I can either add that code in because I see what you've changed. I see what you changed here. Or if you want, you can resubmit a new pull request. That's what we could do. Thank you for the likes and reactions, guys. Good to see you. If that's what you want to do. No, just copy. It's defined. Okay, cool. All right, so we'll just copy this. So it's just really simple. It's really simple stuff here. So on color picker, we remove the class list remove active. Okay. And then we class list add active. All right, so that one's easy. Let's do that one real quick. That is on the color picker. Color. All right, let's see if we can do this. Wait, my microwave's cooking. Let me shut it off. Okay, sounds good, Brandon. We'll be right here, I believe. All right, so target, class add, selector, remove each. This is fine. Well, all good there. All good. Sounds good. So that will add the active class. Now we need to add the CSS for active. Let's add CSS for active now, which you put up here probably. Where'd you do that? Right here. Colors active. Oh, wait, we already have that. Oh, no, right here. Okay, so we need to add this thing right here. Let's add this. Okay. That'll do it. This is all we need right here. Okay. No, I don't. Cancel. I just want to copy and paste this. Okay, perfect. Really simple. Says 25 years plus software. Yeah, it means really difficult. It's pretty straightforward. It's pretty straightforward. All right. So that was up here in the CSS. This. Set paste. Okay. The active class. All right. So that should do the work. And also, let's at the same time fix this other issue that I had. So it makes it easier to actually select a color. All right, so that fixed that bug, and we should have added it in Torva's. Let's find out if that worked. Let's see if it works or not. Oh my goodness! Someone's been painting on the canvas. Just a smidge. All right, let's reload that. Okay, so this is, yeah, okay, good. Ah, look at that, nice. Now we can see what color is highlighted. That's great. That is fantastic. Looks great. Thank you, Torva. This is great. Thank you. Right here. So zoom in on that so you can see. Very nice. Very nice. That's great. Thank you. Thank you. It looks good. And then we should probably, so the default would be red, right? Is default always red? Yeah, default's red. So let's make that class active by default. So this will say, class equals active. There we go. Perfect. Perfect. My pleasure. Nice. Can you put on music? Can you hear that? Can you hear the music? There should be music. Is it not loud enough? I could boost it up. All right. There's a bit of music there, you guys. Okay. Good to have you guys here. All right. So let's move on to the next task here. So we did fix the color picker. We didn't fix this yet. This is we need mouse, some sort of extra HTML. Let's see. What do you call it? Set, no paste. We need to add some meta headers. So header, and then we're gonna have to put this at the bottom. There we go. Okay. And this will be / we have to do some like meta something. We gotta do some meta something there. That's what we gotta do, right? Can you add diff pressure points with tilt support for Apple Pencil or third party best pencils? A YouTuber. What? Wait. What are you talking about? Like, you mean when you click it, like shows that it has like sort of a tilt effect based on where your cursor is? We could do that. That's something we could do. It would look really good. Hey, good morning, man. Hey, Ram CB, good to see you. What web page you making? We are building what you call a sort of a shared canvas. a shared canvas, a multi-user canvas. So that's what we're currently doing right now, this very moment. A shared multi-user canvas. So you can see right here. Yeah. So you can see that it's multiple users simultaneously. That's what we're doing. How do you share it? It's using a little technology called PubNub. So glad to have you guys here. For those of you who are new here, my name is Stephen Blum, CTO at PubNub, and we're using that technology right now. I started this company a decade ago, have raised 134 million. We're at our Series E. We've got 1 billion connected devices on the network, right? And that's what we're building with today. We're building with our API. I have 68 patent claims granted. They are granted. They're my patent claims. I've got them. They're on my LinkedIn if you want to check them out. And I've been in tech for 25 years. It's so good to have you guys here. We are going to be building the shared campus experience. It's a lot of fun. It's really neat. I'm very excited about it. So let's close some of these windows. All right, now we're back to it. Yeah. So you can see this is what we're building. We're going to have this shared campus experience. Dev from 2005. Are you really a dev from 2005? That means you've been in the business for 2 decades. Devs from 2005. That means if you join our Discord, we've got a link in our link share that shows where you can actually start drawing on my screen. You could actually start drawing on my screen. So if you click this link around here, I'll repaste it. Where is it at? We put it on there yesterday. Where is it? Right here. Here's the shared canvas. Okay, I'll repaste it in the link share. This is what we're working on right now. It's what we're working on right now, you guys. It's so good to have you guys here. It's like when drawing, depending on how much pressure you apply. Oh, the screen gets thicker and thinner. Don't know if that works. Got it. Okay. Torva, I see exactly what you're describing. And we would need a physical draw device. I don't have one of those. I don't have one, so we can't build that. We can't build it. How do you get this much energy, man? Always ready to talk with each commenter. Ram, well, you got to eat healthy. That's what I say. You got to eat healthy. Eat the vegetables. I don't drink coffee or any caffeine, any tea or nothing. I don't need to. Plus, we're building software. Isn't it exciting that we're building software? Live again. Hey, Kurt, good to see you. Just finished with your service sortation? What's a sortation? Oh, sortation algorithm. I've never heard it called sortation before. Sort algorithm. What's your method for sorting? How do you do it? There's many approaches. There's a lot of different algorithms out there. There's a lot of algorithms. All right, let's figure out how to get the mobile working. All right, so we need some meta. I want a full mobile ready app. Okay, so we added the prevent defaults for touch event, get touch gestures. All right, so this is what I need to add. Handle move. So I need to move line to draw. This is actually exactly what we're doing right now. Change touch. Perfect. So we need to capture the X and Y differently. That's why. That's what we got to do. This is it right here. All right. So change touch is captured through const change touch of change of event. Touch equals touch. Get ongoing touches. What is this? Ongoing touches. Where'd that come from? What is this? Ongoing touches. Is it this is a lot. I don't think we have to do this much work. I'm pretty sure we don't have to do this much work. Touch start. Touch identifier. Touch. All right, so I need the touch event. All right. Const. Event dot changed touches. Okay. All right. Okay. So I just want the first one. So what I need to do is grab this. So let's take a look at this. Let's see what this looks like. All right, so we're gonna log that, and I think that will take. We don't need to read any more code after that. I'm pretty sure we don't need to read any more code after that. All right. My favorite is the Stalin sorting algorithm. Hey, that's a good one. Do you procrastinate, Stephen? A little bit. It's kind of what we're doing right now. I do have other work that I got to do. However, we're streaming here now on YouTube. Or just waste time rather than studying or career making. Oh, well, I mean, technically we're actually being productive in a way because we're writing some code, and that's an outdated technique, isn't it? Because the AIs do everything for you now. Do you not like the brain rot? I do. The brain rot is fine. So I guess we don't need the meta tags. We might not need the meta tags. So let's get rid of this. All right, let's clean it up. All right, there we go. A little bit cleaner, looking good. So what we need to do is capture the touch events. The get XY. The get XY, we already have this function. We already wrote it. Oh, perfect. Okay, perfect. All right, perfect. We thought ahead, you guys. We thought ahead. So we just need to get this function here. And here we go. Touch change events. All right, so let's do console.log and then see what's inside this. Let's just take a little peek. Let's just look inside this a little bit here, right here. This is what we need, you guys. This is what we need. Change touches, which is very annoying. It's a very annoying word. I don't like it. Insertion sort. Oh, bye, Steven. Need a nap. All right, Kurt. Sounds good. Keep coding. Will do. Appreciate it. Can you shout out my brother Tom T? He loves your watching your streams, and he's also trying to learn coding because of you. Really? And that's great. Hey, Tom T. So good to have you here. We're coding. We're really coding. This is without the AIs. And when you do that, you really learn because you get to struggle. You get to do the struggle. The struggle means that you memorize things better. And yeah, it can be painful, right? Because of the struggle. It's worth it though, because you remember, is it though? Is it really? I don't know. I enjoy it. So we'll just say it is good. It is good. At least for now. How's it going there? Rotoman. Hi, Steven. I love the energy. I'm a noob to AI. Do you have any recommendations? Resources for learning about agentic AI? Thanks. Yes. You want something called tool calling, function calling. It's called tool calling / function calling. You want to look that up. This is going to create what the actual agent is. You've got these large language models. What you can do is coding is dead. I know, Din Master, because the AI agents do it for you, right? Exactly. Thanks. Hey, you're welcome. Happy to have you guys here. Welcome on in. All right. So tool calling, function calling is the actual mechanism that turns a large language model into an agent. It gives the large language model instructions on how to interact with you deterministically, to be able to perform a task or extract data or do research. It gives you back JSON rather than a blob of text. This means that you can actually use it in a program, the agent, to deterministically extract and then provide the next steps. It's what it is. It's the answer. It's called tool calling. It's all about the harness. What Steven says. Yeah, exactly, Savon. You can also use Gemini or other provider to teach you these things. Oh, right. That's right, Savon. Just do learning mode in Gemini. AI engineering or cloud engineering. They both chaos flux, death scythe. Good to see you. Welcome on in. AI engineering or cloud engineering. Well, they're both great. I would go in. You know what? Are you trying to pick between the two? What a tough challenge. Rotoman, you're welcome. Happy to have you here. Hey, Steven. Thanks for the connection. Accept on LinkedIn. Oxnell, absolutely, yeah. That's right. I saw you said yesterday, hey, we'll do this, and we did it after stream and connected on LinkedIn. So good to have you guys here. Yeah. In terms of job availability, it's the cloud engineer is still very much in demand, and you will be using AI agent systems. So you want security, cloud, DevOps, or AI, right? Those are going to be the big ones. They're going to be the new disciplines. They're going to be the big ones. So cloud, DevOps, AI engineering, and security. Those are the big ones. If you want to watch Dank Pods, you know he calls Samsung. Well, I've not heard about that. I don't know what that is. Cloud is now automated by AI. Well, that's true. It is. It's mostly automated. You still have probably some site reliability overseeing that needs to happen by a human at this point. So maybe, like Savant's saying, you might want to look at the security ones and the AI ones. It's all bifurcating. Things are splitting in two. You're getting new types of jobs, you guys. My rule for agents is always to keep any mathematical data analysis for the tools, nice, and keep only the LLM to interpret the results and orchestrate. All right, yeah, you know what you're doing. You've done it before. It sounds like you've done this. Yes, I like that idea. Exactly what you said. I got it much better with Cloud Opus 4.6. As we speak, I'm redeploying my website using Claude, who pushed the vertical to Vercel. and does all the, okay, so CI/CD, you probably still need a system that sets it up, right? You could, if you merge the master on master merge, you could have a cloud and actions, right? A CI/CD system that would deploy to Vercel. You could do that. You don't always have to say Claude deploy, please, safely. Claude CLOD deploy to production safely, please. Yeah, you don't always have to put that prompt in. Or you can have your Claude talk to my Claude. That's one of my favorite. Previous employee at PubNub mentioned that the other day on the X Twitters. He tweeted it. I thought it was really funny. So how much month or hours we can see complete automation for data analyst job? Oh, Ram. Well, yeah, that's a lot of stuff. It's a lot of stuff, right? So if you want the full orchestration, Kubernetes, pods, 12-factor, how to do input output, how to do monitoring, observability, testing, stress testing, networking, security rules, security groups, users, access management, RBAC. I just list off a whole bunch of things, and I don't even think that's nearly close to a complete list. It's a big one. It's a big one. You got a lot in there, you guys. It's a lot. It's a lot. All right, you guys. Let's get back. We're cooked. I know. It feels like it, doesn't it? It feels like we're cooked. Hey, don't worry. Those roles are cooked. And throughout time and throughout history, check this out. We started as hunters and gatherers, right? There were only two jobs. There were hunters who brought in food from, murdering the animals. And then you had gatherers who grabbed berries, bushes, did house making and stuff like that. And then we don't have that anymore, right? You don't really have that anymore. It's not there. Then we started going out into like different, like farming, cultivating. A whole new world, a whole new set of jobs came about. And then it just kept going from there. It just kept going from there. All these new kinds of jobs. CI/CD and ML ops, good job or bad? So, I think it's good. I think it's good. It's still a thing. It's still a thing. And it's still very useful. And you don't necessarily need an AI to manage that for you. It's just deterministic, common, repetitive patterns. So you can use an AI to set it up for you, and you need to make sure it's set up all the right way, and you want to modernize and maintain it going forward. There's so many things you can do. So Swaharji, I think that still AI can do a lot. Not all of it yet. Not yet. Exactly. It can do a lot. We have to be CEO or CFO like you. Otherwise, we're going to be beg on the streets. I don't know. I don't know about that. I think you guys are fine. I think you guys are fine. I'm pretty sure. I am pretty sure. Hold 1 second. Let me get my list back here. Here we go. There we go. Okay. Get my playlist going there on the music side of things. It wrapped. We've been streaming so long. There's so many songs. Only so many. You don't care what anyone says. Thank you for the hearts and likes, you guys. Appreciate it. So good to have you here. I have a single phrase I use that makes AI actually do meaningful work. Do you? Kyle, tell us. Let us know. And it's the only consistent thing you have with AI. It really doesn't work. Any tips for entrepreneurship? Yes. So Savon is here and Kyle is here too. We've been doing entrepreneurship. You have to build your MVP very quickly. Less than 2 weeks. You get 2 weeks. If you go longer, you messed it up. You only get 2 weeks for engineering, and then you have to get users, adoption, and you have to do sales, outbound, outreach, and marketing. And you have to do that more than you think you need to. A lot more than you think you need to. How much? 90% more. Because you can have the best product in the world that no one's ever heard about. So make sure you get out there, you guys. I have got an idea for a new company. Use AI to deploy the project, accept the payment gateway. Oh, that sounds interesting. It can run a whole company without hiring anyone. Ooh, maybe. It's said to be the thing that you can do now. I'm going to have to cut all this tech debt at some point, though, and I'm worried about that. Yeah, you just have it optimized. Just have it optimized. It's fine. It's fine. Exactly, like no one came to your party. Exactly. You need to have people. People buy from people. It's a thing. It's real. All right, you guys, let's see if we can get back into this. On call forever. Yeah, I suffer from this. My co-founder kept trying to have all the bells and whistles. Oh, no, that's terrible. No, you're doing it wrong. You got to stop that. You got to have an MVP immediately, and you got to not have any bells and whistles. You got to go to the core of the value of the product. First off, you add the bells and whistles after you get user feedback. Let's just say the small core features. Yeah, exactly. Mini door. Let's do it. Let's do it. How do you recommend you do outreach? Just the old-fashioned telling people. That is a good one first, right? Dev to from. So you want direct, so more of an intimate user feedback loop. Go to someone you know and have them use the app directly or whatever it is, and then sort of stand behind them, and then do that with a whole bunch of people, get their feedback, understand that, move, and then start targeting your target audience. Who are the users who are actually going to use your product? There you go, right? Then you get them, and they're going to be considering a lot more different things. And now you've got your iteration cycle. You're good to go. You're good to go. Have a manually outreach without feeling too super spammy. Yep, that's the trick. Now you're talking about marketing. B1 run, that's marketing right there. Marketing 101. This is Java or it's JavaScript. How's it going there? Fuster Plays 5394. Yep, this is JavaScript. We're doing some JavaScript. Sorry, accidentally pressed enter. No worries, I figured. What brand LED lights are in the background? I don't remember. They're just pretty generic. I don't remember. I bought them last year. There's no branding on them, so I can't go look. I could look at them. I forgot. I'd have to look it up. My old. Oh, Product Hunt is a good place to do that. Yep, Product Hunt. Savon, good idea. Product Hunt. That's a good option. I asked the target audience almost daily to get feedback at the place where they would use the app. Hey, Kyle. See, Kyle knows what's going on. Kyle's doing it right. You just got to jump into it. $134 million. Yes, it's real. It's real. Yeah, I also talked to someone. You can see it on Crunchbase. Check it out on Crunchbase. The Discord about you just have to get your name out there. Yep, call people. Do the research on possible customers. You know it. Hey, Steven, I need some advice on how to mobile dev iOS market. Releasing the App Store. Yeah, releasing the App Store. NovaFlow YouTube, thank you for subscribing. Welcome on in. Good to have you. Happy Wednesday. We're building a shared Canvas app today. And a JavaScript web format. Oops Dominion. Thank you for subscribing as well. Appreciate it. Good to have you here. Happy Wednesday. What's your highest watching? What does that mean? What does that mean? So good to have you guys here. Welcome on in. Happy Wednesday, you guys. We're making it happen. Yeah, this is my company, PubNub. I started it many years ago. How do you over making the right decisions as a CTO? On call forever. It's about trusting your team, giving them the ability to make the decisions that allow them to own the product. This is something that not everyone does, and I think they're wrong unless they do this. You have to let your team succeed and fail on their own. They have to have that responsibility. If you take that responsibility away from them and sort of have like very restrictive guidelines, you're going to create unmaintainable systems, and you'll have high churn. You want your team to be happy, successful, motivated, and have ownership of what they're working on. You don't want to take that away from them, because then it's demotivating and it takes all their aspirations and desires away. You got to make sure to cultivate that. I think that's a huge aspect that not everyone does. I think it's so important. And of course, you can do some like little guiding tips along the way. I do that. I'm like, hey, have we thought about this over here? We have thought about that. Okay, perfect. All right. So many times they're already thinking what you're thinking. Do you know any platform to get remote jobs and strictly job, not like a data fetching site? Upwork. Is that an okay one? It's a contractor role. It's short term. It's called Upwork. Maybe start with Upwork. There / others. That's a good option. I'm scared of AI. Hey, 2029, right? The Terminator. We got 3 years left, you guys. I only use AI when I'm feeling burnt out. It always works, but never for generating code. Oh, you might be running behind. You got to use it to generate code. You do. I use it every day, all day. We are writing code without the AI today on stream, because that's what we do on stream. You guys. Nice, great advice. Hey, you're welcome. What problem does PubNub solve? Connectivity, communication. So let's jump over to my website really quick. So there's tickets, chat, multi-user experiences, transportation logistics and delivery, fleet management, fleet tracking. On a dashboard, you can see where all the cars are. Multiplayer gaming, betting, casinos, sports and media, where you're seeing all the updates, right? What's the current score? What happened right now? All the calls, all the plays. Multiplayer gaming. Hey, you've played multiplayer games before on the internet. Healthcare and telemedicine. This is what I do. This is my company. This is what we do, you guys. E-commerce. Yep. Live auctions, live bidding. Hey, there you go. Are you using chat? Do you want chat in your app? You know, the top 10 apps in the App Store today all have built-in app communication. That's what I do. That's my company. That's where we run. You can see all the tech. You've used my technology already. 1 billion devices, you guys. Very likely. That's what I meant. That's what I meant. Still stuck on the file handling. Oh, hey, no worries. Just keep going. Keep trying it. Did you integrate AI in your company? Yes, we did, and we're not done yet. Hey, Mohit, thank you for saying hello. Good to see you. Welcome on in, you guys. So good to have you here. Good to have you here. You played a modded Minecraft. Oh, Jinlu. Hey, Jinlu. Nice. I want to play modded Minecraft. I always run in Bedrock, and most of the mods are all in Java. They're all in Java. Late today, no worries. If you were to code cold outreach on your MVP, where would you start? After friends and colleagues? B1 run? Well, if you want low scale or high scale, it depends. You want to do something called OPA, other people's audiences, where you integrate into the existing ecosystems of other people's products. For example, you go to a startup that already has an audience and you want to integrate with that startup. Find a way that you can integrate your product into their product in a way that is mutually beneficial. Do all the work, do the marketing and outreach. You can do joint blog posts, and then you can start connecting with some of their users in their ecosystem. And it's a good way. It's called organic growth, you guys. That's just one idea. There's so much in there. Deb from too. Love your energy. Thank you. My wife may do telehealth as a mental health therapist. Oh, hey, that's what we do. So if you use Teledoc or anything along those lines, like the Teledoc app, that's us. That's my technology. You've used it. You've used it. Like the lives, y'all celebrate Steven's success. Thank you, Kyle. Appreciate it. Trying to read it through all your chats, you guys. Is it still worth to learning how to code? Yes, I think so. Although I'm old, I'm in my 40s, you guys. So maybe I'm thinking, because I've lived this world of having to write the code all myself by hand. The AIs, they build the code often better than I do even, and faster, and they don't get tired. So yeah, I don't know. I think tech to dose. It is. And if anyone tells you differently, they're saying, hey, the AI doesn't actually do a good job. It's a new skill. It's a brand new skill. You need to get used to it. You need to understand how they work, how to ask them what the right scope of code, keeping things simple, asking very small tasks, pinpointed tasks. It'll give you 100% success. I always get success when I'm using the code generators. And it's such a great experience. I love it. We could start a modded Java server. There are mods that add programmable computers, so we could do a coding in Minecraft with PubNub stream. We could. That would be a good one. We could do it. Yeah, he's got good energy. Good energy, Guru. Thank you, Teha. Guru Teha, appreciate it. Whoa, knowledge bomb. So much knowledge. You got it. I've been doing this for a long time, you guys. You didn't know this. Hey, there you go. Read my mind, Steven. That's the best distribution channel approach. It's a good one. I can tell you it works. And there's more ways. Best GPU for AI. The TPU. The TPU is called GPU. It's called TPU. TPU with Google GCP. TPU with GCP. Better help. Hey guys, so good to have you. I'm trying to catch up with your chats here, and then we'll get back. You look like you're in your 20s. Well, thank you. Yeah, we're eating healthy. We got to eat healthy. Eat your vegetables, you guys. Any tips for sharing social media and getting comfortable on camera? Thanks. Maybe do what we're doing now. We're live, like we're live streaming, and just start talking to the camera. When I started live streaming, there was nobody. There was nobody there. I was just talking to an empty camera. And then eventually one person came along, and then two, and then three, and then there's a few more. It just takes practice. Looking that up, she really prefers practicing in person. I think telehealth is an important aspect. Nice, yes, I agree with you. Professional long-time writer before AI, and if fear the younger generation won't experience that. I know, Kyle, that's what they're not going to. Is that okay though? I think it's okay. I think it is. Fine. Hey, we spent all these years honing our craftsmanship and writing beautiful code. You know what? It doesn't matter anymore. Oh, it doesn't matter. Isn't that just silly? I feel like it's silly. Hi, sir, QA. What should you focus on now to stay employable and relevant? AI. Learn how to use and leverage the AI tools that exist today. They are going to be mandatory. They're just going to be mandatory. QA meaning a testing. Yeah, quality assurance. Quality assurance. That's I think that's what QA is. Implementing the at least understand the code AI writes. Yeah, that's a good handoff. It's a good handoff. You don't even need to understand it anymore. You really don't. You don't really need to. If anyone tells you different, they're using it wrong. It's okay. It takes practice. It does. And then you can get 100% success rate. All your code. I fly at light speed using AI to write my code for me. Though today on stream, we're doing everything by hand. So we're doing it all by hand. You had a baked potato salad today. Nice, Jinlu. A tiny bit of butter won't hurt too much. Well, you know what? You can do that. I choose to go the purest route. I go 100% vegetables and seeds. That's what I do. Vegetable seeds, a little bit of fruit and vegetables. iOS backup, Apple's own breaking its closed garden, creating an AI to do all my accounting. See, have your Claude talk to my Claude. That's what we're gonna do. Just got to learn to use it. Yep, you know it. So good to have you guys here. You're opting out. You can do that. It's up to you. It's up to you if you want to. I think it's good to lean in, and make sure everything's the way that, it's happening, you guys. It's happening. All the skills that we learned over the years, it doesn't matter anymore. The AI does it. As an app developer, what is going to make stand out? Everybody can code these. Okay, so to stand out, are you guys ready for this? Strap in if you want to stand out as a developer now. Obviously, coding and having the knowledge of the code as an engineer, if that's your track that you want to go on, there is something that you can do that not everyone else does. Build and release an app to production and get users. That's it. This is a common thing. It happens all the time. Not everyone does it. And you can be successful. If you do this, you will stand out 99.9% above everyone else. Build an app, release it, get users, try to monetize it, expand those users. Essentially kind of entrepreneurship. And then if you want, you can use that as a reference when you're applying for a job. Say, hey, you know what? I started this business. I got apps, I got users, and I've got revenue right now. And you know what? I could either keep going on it, or I could invest with another company that's already got a larger success traction, more success. You can do that. That'll work. Thank you for the hearts, you guys. Appreciate it. Getting through all your chats here. So good to have you here. Welcome on in. All right, what AI do you use? I use Claude, Codex, and Gemini, and Brock. That's right. So AIs. So you got Brock, we got Claude, Codex, and Gemini. Gemini. Love the Gemini. Why light mode? Sorry about that. We're going to get back to some code here. It's going to be... All right, Brandon, you're back. Nice, thanks. Good to have you guys here. How do you get testing job? Can you tell me? So, it's called... You want a QA job or a support job? You mean Grok? Oh, right. I know, right? No, check it out. Brock, it's a real thing. It's a whole other thing. BROKK. With 2 Ks. There's 2 Ks. KK. All right. Pi, also good coding agent. Sir, you should try Kimmy K2. That's a good one. Yeah, that's a good one. I install it in your local. Why these AIs? That's just what I've been using. Well, you can use other things. Brock sounds like a rocket. Sure does, doesn't it? Hey, wheat pancakes. I like your name. You win for the name Wee Pancakes. I like that. Those are just the ones we use. Okay, so let's get back into this. So let's see what this looks like over here. Let's get back into it. All right, where are we at here? Did we close it? Are we open somewhere? Where'd it go? Where's our window? Here it is. Here it is. All right, we're done. All right. So undefined. However, if we go into mobile mode, there it is. Hey, there it is. Look at that right there. Hey, oh, all right. So how do we, let me zoom in on this real quick so I can see it a little bit better. I want this window here. Thank you. All right. Mobile touch right there. Mobile touch. All right. Let's zoom out slightly. Okay. So screen X, screen Y. Okay. Client X, client Y. There it is right there. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. It's right there. It's right there. We're almost there. We're so close. We're so close. So we want it to be client X and client Y is what we want. All right. All right, perfect. Okay. So all we have to do is say if it's not this. Okay, so let's clear this. So that's undefined. Okay, so const touch TOCOUCH equals this. Okay. And then we need to check to see if it exists or not. Gemini AI Studio is OP. Is it? It's pretty good. I use it a lot. Woot, yeah, pancakes. Pancakes. What do you try to make? Oh, this is a shared canvas, and we're adding mobile support right now. We're adding mobile support. We're gonna make sure that it works on the phone. Brandon, can you put music on max volume for a second? All right. There, it's max volume. It doesn't go very high. I didn't have it very low. It's max volume right now. It's also not a very loud song. Drawing application that allows multiple people to draw on the canvas. Yeah, you know it. So we're gonna add mobile support. We're gonna add multi-user support. We've already added multi-user support. So if you go into our Discord right now, we do have a link right there where if you click on it, it will allow you to draw on my screen at this very moment. You'll be able to draw on the screen right now. You'll be able to draw on the screen. You'll be able to draw on the screen. So let me see here. I have an idea. Okay, I've got an idea that just popped in my head. Let me add it to the to-dos. Okay, so I want to add another to-do, and this is going to be, we need to disable local drawing, maybe, or exclude, you know what, we should exclude self-draw. That's what we should do. We should exclude self-draw. And then also to do when creating multiple contexts, even yourself is in the list. We don't have a dedicated separate list for contexts. So that's what I want. That's what I want, you guys. That's what I want. Designer AD, gotcha. Links. Oh, you want some links? Are you looking for the Discord? Great stuff, still learning. All right, we're learning together. Is it using WebSockets? You know exactly, Rummies. Ramiz Alam, yeah, exactly. WebSocket. So you got the idea. So here, let's take these two screens. You see them together. So we got our mobile view, right? So I can go over here and I can draw. You can see that both sides of the screen are drawing at the same time. At the same time, you guys. So let me draw this real quick. I'm gonna draw a dot right there. All right. So you can see it a little better. I'll do green, and then you can see I'm drawing green there. And both screens are both devices same time, right? At the same time. And if you click our link in the Discord, you'll be able to draw on my screen right now this very second. How's it going there, Eric? Good to see you. Welcome on in. It's going to be messy. Do like 3 pages. Well, it's a lot of, that sounds like a lot of pages. It sounds like a lot. Okay, so let me add in mobile support. We're almost done with mobile support here. And where that was at, get X. Here we go. All right, this is function. All right. If we have a touch event. All right, thank you for the hearts, you guys. Appreciate it. It's so good to have you here. I have we've got 30 minutes. We're good. We got 30 minutes. I have a meeting coming up in 30 minutes. However, we're not leaving yet. Don't leave yet. We're not done. Let's add the mobile support. If touch, we're gonna have our const X and Y. So let's do. How do we want to do this? All right. Can we say const X equals touch dot? What was it? Is it a? Let's go into mobile mode. No, let's do mobile mode over here. Okay, mobile mode is over here. All right. Wait, I forgot. Let me debug this. Console.log. I just want to get this back really quick. Okay. That should do the trick. Reload. See, touch event. All right. Is it a list? That's what I'm wondering about. Touch, it is. Okay, so this is a touch list. So we want to get the first one. Let's just grab the first one. We don't care about any of the others. We're not going to do multi-touch, although we could if we wanted to. We could have multiple touches. Do we want? We won't do that. It would look really neat, though. You could draw simultaneously with multiple fingers. Do we want to do that? I kind of want to, though. Let's not do that. Let's just do one for now. We'll do one for now. Client touch 0 dot client X. Was it client X? Yeah, client X of client Y. Y, and then we just return this here. There we go. Keep it together. Oh, wait. Hold on a second. Wait. I've got an idea. Sorry, I've missed a lot. So assume, what are we building? Eric, good question. All right, so we are building a shared drawing canvas experience. So you can see here, I'm drawing in 2 windows at the same time. And we're making it better. Right now, there's problems. It doesn't work on mobile. We're adding mobile support to it right now. we're adding some mobile support. Okay. Okay, you guys. Okay, let's make this happen. So we could do it like this is almost right because we got some math here. We got to do some math. We get to offset due to the difference in resolution on the screens and the page width size. We need to reevaluate this. Okay, so we have to do the same thing each time. So I recommend we'll just copy and paste. Although I don't like duplicating code. I really don't. I really don't want to duplicate code. I really don't. So that, and we'll grab this. That's the problem. I don't like duplicating code. So there's some duplicate code there. Oh, I don't like it. I don't like it. If I may ask, how long it took you to do learning to code? Try drawing on canvas using the link in Discord, but it didn't work. Oh, it didn't? Oh, it sure did. It sure did. Oh, it depends. Are you on mobile? If you're on mobile, it's not going to work yet. It won't work on mobile. Not this project. Oh, one day. One day. We did it yesterday. It only took an hour. It only took an hour. Mobile is a bit bugged right currently. Yes. Yes, on mobile. Okay. We're getting there. We're getting there. Don't worry. We're getting there. Mobile is on the way. Although it is. I see your lines. I see the yellow lines. I see you draw the yellow. I saw you do it. All right. So we're adding mobile right now. You know what? This probably will already work. This will probably work. Okay. So let me redo this. Reload. Touch event. No, still not working. Oh, this is rough. So that should do the trick. Let's put this here. Okay. Save. All right. Are we in the right? Yes. Okay. Oh, it is working. Hey, it's working now. Oh, there we go. It is working. It's working. Okay, let me commit it to master. Let me commit it to the main branch. Okay. Hey, we got it working, you guys. Look at that. The mobile works. Mobile's working. Mobile's working. All right. We got mobile working. And then we need to do some cleanup. All right. Get status, get add, get commit. Mobile success. Party popper. Let's add a party popper in there. We did it. We got the mobile working, you guys. This is great. Push. Okay. Now, check this out. When you reload on the app, it should work. It might take a while for the cache to clear. You know what? What we'll do is we'll make sure that it works. So I'll click on it myself. Here we go. And then we'll go into mobile mode over here. All right. Perfect. Is it working yet? No, it didn't. The cache isn't cleared yet. The cache is not cleared yet. Nope, not yet. It might take a while. It might take a smidge. Just a smidgen. Okay, so there we go. Thank you for the party pop. Shift F5. Yep, exactly, Jenlu. You know it. That's what you might have seen. Hey, Moped Mike, good to see you. Welcome on in. Mobile's almost ready, you guys. It's going to take a few minutes for the cache to clear on the CDN, and then it will work. If you want to use a model for asking water treatment questions, knowledge-based questions, is there an AI model that is better than others? I would probably recommend Gemini. Gemini might be there. Hey, look at that. You got it's doing it right there. I see it drawn on the screen. I see it. It's working. It's working. Hello. Hey, you said hello. All right. So now we've got a few things to fix on this. There's a couple other things we got to do. It unloads the cache. I think my right click is breaking. Oh, is it? Is your right click breaking? We're good to go. I think we're good to go. So let me double check that it's working on mobile. I think because we just pulled it up, didn't we? All right. Look at that. Look at that, you guys. This is great. All right. So we got plenty of time. You guys. So I'll draw some magenta here. There we go. Some magenta. There we go. A little bit of magenta's going. And then I'll do some chartreuse or whatever 448C Pantone this is. Wait, click that. Oh, now we've got too many users, and we didn't add. We need to add more support. We need to add more support for more contexts. So we've got some refactoring to do. Just a bit of refactoring, you guys. You're drawing on the screen right now. I want to try it on my phone really quick. The other thing is will be neat. Let me hit it up here on the phone. Let's see if we got it good. All right. Let's see if we can get it over here. Linked share. Okay, click on that. Visit. Okay. Yeah, that works. Oh, it works. It's so good. Oh, that's amazing. That's so great, you guys. So you can see it. Hey, Michael, thank you for subscribing. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. Happy Wednesday. As you guys can see, we've got it working. Yep, there it goes. There it goes. It's working. It's working. It's working on mobile now. That makes me so happy. Yeah, I've been using Gemini, and it's great. Just wanted to make sure. Yep, that's a good one. Thank you for the party poppers, you guys. We did it. We did it. Hey, how's it going there, Gabrianko? For a torch. You sent the torch for 200 jewels. Thank you. Thank you for the 200 jewels. That's amazing. I appreciate it. That's so nice for you to do that. Thank you. Thank you so much. You sent a screenshot of your Minecraft in general, by the way. I want to check it out. I want to check it out. I want to see what that is. Let's see what that looks like. Let's see what that looks like. Hey, you guys, it works. It works. That makes me so happy. All right, there's a few things we got to do. It's not done yet. It's not done yet. We got to add. Also, it's kind of difficult to see what's going on now. Hey, hello. Hey, hello. Who wrote that? Who wrote that? I can see it's also here on the phone. I can see it. You wrote it. Let me do a video later as well. Jinlu sounds good. Sounds good, Jinlu. Hey, look at that, you guys. We got it working. We got it working. Looks really good. Looks good, you guys. So happy. Told you, haha. Hey, you sure did. You sure did. Also, again, I appreciate it over there, Gabrianko, for the 200 and the torch. I appreciate it. My gratitudes. So great. So great to have you guys here. So good to have you here. What would you say? Was this, hey, Jen? It's kind of I see a GG. The GG. Thank you for the heartsy, guys. All right. We got something written down here at the bottom. Can't really see what this is. AGE-er. Oh wait, is that? Are you using profanity? Are you using slurs? Let me do some moderation there for you. Let me hide that on the screen so you can't see what's being. Yeah. All right. This isn't moderated. It's not moderated. All right. So the canvas isn't. However, YouTube is. YouTube is moderated. All right, you guys. So let's see here. I do want to jump back into the code and start writing some of the fixes here. Let's see. What are some of the other fixes we can do? All right. So I would like to clean this up. This would be very nice if we did something different than this. So I'd rather do this. I'd rather do this. Let's do this. One return. Like this, X. And then we'll have a Y here. Y. Like that. And then we will grab this. Is there still a bug when two users draw? Yeah, exactly, Torva. Yep, exactly. We got to fix that. You're doing great service for some of us, by the way. Thanks for all the knowledge you freely share. You're welcome, Moped Mike. I appreciate it. I'm so happy to have you guys here. If people control, they will. It's the rule of the universe. It sure is. Hey, Linder441, how's it going? Yo, he's coding on mobile, I think. Yes, probably. We are doing it. Mobile, it's happening. All right, so let's return this. Delete that. And then we're going to have the... Hold on one second. I need to bring that back real quick. I need to see what I deleted. Page offset, page... Okay. So I want this. Let's grab that real quick. Okay. So I'm going to say const x equals... Oh, hey, Mohitnik. Mohitnik, thank you for becoming a channel member. Hey, appreciate it. That's so great. Thank you. You made my day. You're a new member. Appreciate it. I mean, so you get access to all of the members' first videos that we put out. All these live streams that we do, we edit them and then we upload them, and you get access to the edited vertical versions. The vertical version, right? Because we're also streaming over here on the vertical. So on this, from the vertical version right here, we have the horizontal version as well, and we've got it recording, so you can see it's recording. I record it to my local computer, and then I edit them afterwards. Well, I don't edit them. The AI does it. The AI does it. Thank you for that. Appreciate it. Also, Erico, appreciate. Thank you for subscribing. Mohitnik. Oh, that's so great for you becoming a channel member. Yeah, thank you. And you're supporting the channel. You're making things grow. Love your energy. That's such a great compliment. Thank you so much. That's so awesome. All right, let's do Y. Delete that. Okay. And instead of this, we're gonna say touch. Perfect. Like that. Yeah, there we go. I want /F/. Perfect. Redo. No. Perfect. Okay. Close that off. Close that off. Delete that. We don't need that anymore. We don't need that anymore. Linder joined the Discord. Oh, what'd I miss? Hey, Savon, we got mobile working. We got mobile working. What's the Discord? All right, Linder, since you're asking, 1 moment, we'll grab that just for you. Just for you. Copy paste over here to @Linder44. There you go. Discord for you. Discord for you. Wait, like you're using iPad, iPhone to code on? I'm currently torn on getting a MacBook M5 or get the MacBook. I would say get the MacBook because it's more than, because the iPad is more of a consumer device. Yes, you could probably type on it and things like that. Though you're using iOS versus macOS, right? The difference, you could run more easily access to building things with a MacBook. I like the MacBook. I use the MacBook, you guys. I like the MacBook. Whoa. Yeah, finally, we did it. It's Steven. We've got 20 minutes. We got 20 minutes to go. And then we got to go to our YouTube group. We got to go to our YouTube group where they teach us things. They teach us how to be a better streamer because we're trying to be a good streamer, you guys. Curious how you solve the multi-participants. We need multiple contexts. So right now we have only 2 contexts, right? So context right here. We've got the main user context, the local context, and then we've got a remote context. However, what we really need is just the number of users context. We need this to be an array. Contexts. Multiple contexts. That's what we gotta do. What's he making? We're building a shared. Hey, look at that. You all something. I can't read that. I says something you all something. And probably is this? I can't tell what that is. Can you guys? Is it bad or good? I can't tell. I can't tell. Is it naughty or nice? Best gaming laptop and install Linux. Yeah, Torva, exactly. If you want some games, you do Linux. Love you all. Love you too. And you merge it all to the same screen representation. Yes. Yes, exactly. Exactly. Can't. MacBook is the best. I know, right? You got it. You got it. All right, you guys, let's get back into it. So I'm gonna bring the screen back. I'm gonna bring my coding back up here. All right, so where were we at here? Okay, so we just made the code cleaner, so we need else, like that. I wonder if we, you know what? I think probably, can we do let x equals, how about, so we just say let x, y? Can we do that? And we just get rid of this, like that. There we go. Okay, perfect. That'll probably be fine. It's not my favorite. I'd rather have consts. However, I think we're okay. You know what? Let's try the const first. Let's see if that's better. All right, I have to reload the screen real quick. Let's just do this one. So I'm going to reload the screen on this one. All right, so that does work. Okay, great. Okay, perfect. All right, let me double. I think we're looking good. Let me bring up the mobile real quick. Okay. Oh, we got a problem. You guys. Okay. So are we having an error? Is there an error there? Where did it go? Why is it not working? Okay, so that works. All right, zoom out. Okay, we broke it. We broke it, you guys. We broke it. What happened? Let's try this. Oh, we broke it. Whoops. Oh no, you guys. Oh no, we broke it. No, it was working. It was just working. No. All right. We can bring it back. We'll bring it back. All right. Why don't we break this? How do we break it? Oh, right here. There we go. We didn't actually break it. Try const space dot. Okay. Let's try that. All right. I see what we did wrong. Oh, no, we got an error. Okay. There. That'll work. Wait. Oh, all right. So why is it not working? All right. Let's bring this back over here. So this should do the trick. Oh, width and heights don't exist. Oh, no, it does. It's right here. Okay, you guys, we're going to fix it. How's it going there? 8 LOL Labs, welcome on in. That happens to me all the time with Claude Code and CSS. It does. You already know. 5849. Hello. Is this a game? Sort of. It's sort of a game. So we do have 20 minutes. We got 17 minutes left, and we got to go to the YouTube meeting, and then I will wrap up here pretty soon. So this should do the trick, right? XY, page height width, right? We've got the let, if touch, let, else, let equals 0. And what if we put these on different lines? Let y equals 0. Okay. See if that fixes it. Did we get it right? So client X, client Y, right? Offset X, offset Y. Looks good. Don't worry, we can undo it. We can undo it. Okay, so that is regular. All right, looking good there. Let's put in mobile mode. Hey, we fixed it. Hey, we fixed it. All right. We're back to it now. We're back to it. We're good to go. I'm in the DC now. How can I do that drawing game? Okay, so let me push it. So git status, git commit -am. Fixed drawing on mobile. Although it's fine. Just push that. You don't need to worry about that. Okay, so go to the link share channel right here. It's called link share. Might be a little bit tricky to see on my screen. And then you'll see a link right here at the bottom, the newest one, and link share. You click on that link, it brings you open to here, and you get to see other people drawn, and you can join in the fun. However, it only really supports one remote user simultaneously drawing. So if 2 people are simultaneously drawing, then it collides. It collides. Yep, Torva, thank you. Thank you for putting the app. It's in the link share. Yep. How much time will it take to learn Git? Only a couple of minutes, really, because there's not very many commands you need to know. So in Git, there's git init, which creates your repository, git status, which tells you what you want to add to the code version control system. Then you say git add, and you add the file that you want. You say git status again to see what you didn't add before. And you say git commit, and then you give it a flag for a message like added the files, happy, right? And then you press enter. My branch is already updated, so and then you say git push origin main, which will push the code to a remote repository for safekeeping in the future. That's the way you do it. Really quick, you learned it. Oh, it was less than 2 minutes. That's actually very interesting, is it? Is it using Python? We are using JavaScript. It's JavaScript and HTML, you guys. Hello to you too. I see it right here. I see your drawing there. I see you drawing. Are you using branches on Git? Sometimes, yes. When it's multiple teams, or if I'm working on multiple workflows, I'll do a workflow tree. Usually I don't do a workflow tree. A lot of people might say, oh, use Git workflow trees. Usually they don't. Oh, JavaScript, you already know, exactly. I only know the basics. Hey, that's the place to start. That's the place to start. All right, we got 14 minutes, you guys. Feature branches. Yeah, there you go. I do use feature branches quite often. Bet you can make a Python PyQt client for this. You sure could, Jinlu. And it would work, and it would be multi-platform. It sure would. You don't use Git workflows either? Yeah, I know, right? It's like, you could, it's just like creating a what do you call it? A checkout branch. It's like creating another branch. However, it's a whole other directory. So you need to have it as a whole separate directory. That's what it is. Whole separate directory. Hey, I see you drawing on there. I see you guys drawing there. All right, you guys. Let me get back to updating some of the code here because we only have 13 minutes left. Let's add. Where should we go next? All right. Let me add column there, like that. Column look good. Okay, good. Yep. All right, clean. Where's clean? Bye. See you tomorrow. All right, sounds good. YouTuber, have a good one. We'll be back tomorrow, you guys. I'm not gone yet. I'm still here for another 12 minutes here or so. So let's go to these. All right, so we got the disable local drawing. Yep, okay. When creating multiple contexts, nope. Auto detect, nope. Prevent default, yes. We should do a refactor on page resize. Okay, so we need a document on page resize. That's what we also need. We could do a page resize. Add canvas history, context per remote user. So this is the one that we really should be adding right now because that's the biggest, most beneficial item. This one right here. We added mobile support. We did. We got to clean it up though. Okay. Draw a line between. Yep. We did that. Check. Mouse click is down. Warning mobile. Yeah. Okay. We did that. Okay. Add canvas load history. Okay. All right, so let's do the multiple contexts per user. Contexts equals an object. We're gonna have an object, and so we'll have a local context called self, and then we also need to add a subscribe filter and a user ID. So let's see, const my let's see, user ID is gonna be my user ID, and then this will just be math.random, like that. I think that's fine. We can do math.random. Let's do a template literal. Can we do template literals here? All right. And we'll do another math.random. Something like that. And we'll say user ID. User. Perfect. That's fine. I like that. I like that. What type of game are you making? Hey, Kitty's favorite official. Welcome on in, Kitty's favorite official. We are building a multi-user shared canvas experience. It's not really a game. Hey, someone drew a person. You drew some sort of kind of person in here. What are you guys drawing over here? See, that looks great. I can recognize it. I can recognize it. See, we should do that. It only draws if the last position was recorded in the last X frames. Yes, we do have to do that. That is also one of the items on the list. So it's contexts. So the idea is we'll have something called like, was it user money user ID. So my user ID will be the first context, right? Grab that. So that is my first context, and it's going to be equal to an object. What we should do is we could write a function called function add context, and it'll be user. Let's see, ID? No, user ID maybe, or something like that. Add a new context. Okay. I think it's a good idea. Then we can say contexts dot push, like that. Context equals user ID. Oh, I heard the alarm, you guys. I heard the alarm. Your tutorials are so helpful, so good. I'm grateful. Hey, Callus sounds. Thank you, Callum Stellar. Callum Stellar. Thank you. Appreciate it. That's really great feedback. So we're gonna do user ID, and we're basically gonna do this. What I just wanted right here. Grab that. Okay. So we're gonna do that here. That will be the context. And then we want to close these here. There we go. Yeah, we're gonna do that. You're being deprecated, old man. I know you don't use AI, Zigzag. You know it, Zigzag. We're doing it without the AI because it's a lot of fun. We're doing it because it's a lot of fun. You know what though? I use AI every day, all day, all night, all the time. When I'm not in stream, you guys, I use AI. So much AI. You should make it so not every line needs to be connected to each other. Yes, that's also what we're doing here. That's also fixing it. What is this? Malbolgo. Oh, Mogulbogle. Hey, you're right, the Mogulbogle. The programming language that you're not supposed to ever learn as a human because, hey, what's your job, Zigzag? Why are you so happy? All right, Zigzag. All right, so for those of you who are new in here, my name is Stephen Blum. I'm the CTO at PubNub. We are a communications API company that provides the real-time interactivity that your users are looking for. Mobile experiences, the top 10 apps in the App Store all have built-in app communication. We power that communication. Things like on-demand delivery. When cars come and you see the car on the map and it's delivering your food, right? That's us. And when you do a chat message, that's us too. When you do multiplayer games, that's us. We do a lot. We've got over 1 billion connected devices, Zigzag. 134 million makes you happy. I know, right? Yeah, we raised 134 million. We're at our Series E, and we've been doing this for a long time. Over a decade, you guys. AI is worse programming than humans. Their code is often so bloated. Yep, thought it. Yeah, thought it. It's a challenge. There's a challenge there. Yo, what's up, bro? The Last Attack. Hey, good to see ya. Callum Stellar. Yeah, wow, I know, right? We're making our way, you guys. We're making our way. How's it going? We're going good. We've got 7 minutes. So, I was feeding my cats for a second. Oh, Jinlu, nice. How many, wait, cats, plural? How many cats do you have? All right, so this will be user ID, and we're gonna say canvas context 2D. We're going to add a new context. So that'll be context oh, wait. I'm doing it wrong. Do I want it to be no, we've got to make it an object. So we're going to say contexts this way, user ID equals the context, canvas, and do we need the previous position? Do we need the previous position? That's what I'm wondering. Started. This is. I need to think about this. Drawing is drawing. So we're gonna have a drawing is drawing. False. There we go. That's all we need. Right there. Done. This function is complete. Right there, you guys. Right there. Function complete. Right there. We did it. 2. Oh, you got 2 cats. Okay, nice. Very nice. All right, 5 minutes, you guys. We got 5 minutes. Context. Let's run this function. We got to run the function. Perfect. Okay. Add a context. Perfect. However, wait. Let's go a step further. If return. We don't need to return anything. Let's just do this. If user ID in contexts return. We don't want to re-add it. We don't need to re-add it. It's a one-time thing. That's a little safety mechanism right there. A little safety mechanism. It's in journal. What are we doing? My friend, I love coding. Hey, good to have you here. We are building a shared canvas experience. It's looking pretty good. We can see multi-user. We can see you guys are drawing over there. Okay, so I only have 5 minutes left. Jinlu, did you put anything over in journal? I just want to double check. Okay. Hello guys, I just learned RESTful APIs using Express.js. It's fun. No, you're doing some JavaScript over there on Node.js. Are you using Bun maybe or Dino? What are you using? All right, let's check. Oh, so this is your Minecraft world. You've got the colors look, the shadows look very dark. You've got a very dark shadow. My Minecraft world's very light. So does it get like really dark in your world? Get really dark? I like the rays. I like the sun rays. That's really pretty. Okay, so you've got a shader on. Sometimes? Nice. It says function, not function. Oh, does it? Oops. Whoops. Fuck. What? All right, we gotta fix that. Sometimes. Those are silver shaders. Oh, okay, nice. Hey, Linder, can you also try to make it so 2 people can draw at the same time? Yes, without it glitching. I know, that's exactly what we're working on right now. Oh, nice, you got a tree house. I like you built a little tree house there. Little tree fort. Out of the pink, the cherry blossom wood. Or what do you call them? Where'd you get that? Oh, it's just over the way? Okay. Nice. Is this a joke? You have 68 patents. It's not, I know, right? It could be a joke because it's one off from, a very specific number. It's real. It's a real number. You can see it. It's a mahogany. Oh, mahogany wood. Got it. Mahogany wood, you guys. All right. So we got 2 minutes left. 2.5 minutes, you guys. How is it possible to have so many patents? I've been doing it for a long time. Many years. All right, so that's the context. All right, so now we've got our contexts. We need to convert this. So we need to get context. So we should do get context function user ID. And we'll just return this. Say return. Boom. All right, easy. Okay. And then we need to convert. So I only have a few minutes left, so I don't know how much further we can go in here. Like a new machine. Oh, for patent. It's for our communication. So real quick, for those of you who are left, so I do got to get going. I have a minute left. I got to get going, you guys. Thank you so much for joining in. Yep, so these are patents for my technology. PubNub is a communications API platform that has over 1 billion devices connected to it. And that is including mobile phones, you guys. It was so good to have you guys here. I'm going to have some modded machines till tomorrow. Sounds good, Jinlu. All right, guys, I'm headed out. I got to get going because I got a meeting coming up here. We'll do some more live coding. We've got to finish this. So this is the plan for the rest of the week. We're going to get this shared canvas experience like really nice. We're going to get it really nice. And then we can have as many users simultaneously painting on the screen as you want. That's the plan. We'll also add the number of users currently live, like the presence occupancy. We're going to do that. We pancakes. See you later. It's been nice. Hope you all see you tomorrow. Yep. Callum Stellar. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you for the potty poppers. Thank you for all the likes, you guys. All right, Steven, have a good one. All right, you too. We'll see you guys. See you there. Thank you again, Mohit. Thank you again, Mohit, for becoming a member. Savan, I'll have a good one yourself too. Bye, guys. Take care, Steven. See ya. We'll be back tomorrow. Bye, guys.